Welcome back to the Belly Up Bar. Thanks for watching. I appreciate it. Today I'm going to make a drink called the Golden Colada. Golden because I've selected some darker rums. It's basically the Erick Castro ratios, but dark rums instead. I just made a little sample and it tastes delicious. So let's get started. I'm going to use Black Tot rum. 92.4 proof, 3/4. This is a mixed rum, Barbados, Jamaica, and Guyana. And 3/4 of Mr. Fogg. This is a Barbados. Comes in at 111.4 proof. And Plantation Original Dark. This is really good stuff. 3/4 Trinidad and Jamaican rum. 80 proof. And Clement, I probably mispronounced that as usual, Clement VSOP, 4-year-old. This comes in at 80 proof, 3/4. Clement, probably. I have to Google that one. And 2 pineapple. Fresh pressed sometime in the past. And this varies a little bit from Erick's recipe. I increased the pineapple, cut back on the Coco Lopez. So 1 Coco Lopez. Cut back on the sugar. And 1/2 key lime. It's key lime juice instead of Persian. 1/2. Gives it a nice zing. It's going to end up in this goblet. Got a couple of chunks in here. 2. Shake this up. Give it about 30 shakes. Pour the whole thing in. And a straw. I think you're going to like this one if you like rums. Unfortunately, people don't have all the rums on hand, so you mix and match. But if you try these 4, pretty good. Pretty much guarantee you'll like this taste. Thanks for watching, and if you're in the mood to subscribe, there's a brown icon right there. See you next time.